Hello. Okay. Metaphor3 has the capability to scan the room and record the spatial data inside the headset for we use later in the application. As you can see now, we are doing mixed reality here. So if we check the boundary from the setting, you can see that we have the room scale boundary here. We can choose our own boundary. We can just continue to use manually, or we can use a controller to choose our boundary. We control the variable here. Yes. Our scale boundary. Now we have our room boundary. As you can see, the Quest 3 can detect all the stuff and obstacles here. And I'll just confirm. Okay. Now that's the boundary to we set usually before we play the application. Let's try what if we play the application just using boundary without using the spatial data or scan the room data. I can see that we already have our application running. This is the mixed reality application. I use my controller, web control. I can also use this. If we don't have spatial data here, I can reset the position of the object depends on which direction I'm facing, like this. So the object is always be in front of me like this. If I move my position and hold the button to set the object, so the object will always come in front of me. So let's check it out how we use the room scan to store the spatial data. In setting, here, there is setting called physical space. And we can click on this space setup and let's set up the space. Set up your space, continue. Then we just walk around the room and turn set until the objects, all of the objects are scanned like this. The scan is good to go, but I will complete for the whole spots inside the room, where all the room is covered by the mesh. There. So the whole room is covered by the mesh since right now X3 already scanned. Then scan is good to go. You can just use this scan data continue. It will detect the wall, and with the wall head, we can adjust the wall if needed. I'll just click continue. Which space is this? Let's say this is a living room. Next, we can also add the furniture. Such as we need to outline the object like this. let's say this is a couch. And then I will outline the table as well. Wait, I will outline the door, the door, and also the window, over there. Door here. And I will outline the table. This is the table. Outline this table. Storage. And after we outline all the objects, we can finish outlining the objects. Complete. This will store your spatial data. This one living room here inside the headset. So if we use the application now, we can detect the room outline inside the application, such as like this. Now, if we run the library, here the app library, I will run the previous application for here. There, so right now we have the box over there, and that's the outline, the blue outline of the scan room data. If we have the outline like this, if I try to reset the interface here, I cannot reset the position of the object. So the object will stick over there, depends on the first position that we facing during the first time running the app. So let's try to change this. I'll just quit and reset my home position over here. And let's try to run the app again. See, so now the position of the box and the game object, all the game object inside the application is in front of me. If I change my position and my facing direction, and I try to reset in game or inside the application, it will not move. So that's how we use the spatial data to lock the virtual object or the game object position and direction inside the application relative to the spatial data that has been stored during the room scan using the Quest 3. And we can reset the position or the facing direction by quitting the app and reset our home position over here, then running the app again. And the box will be back in front of me again. Okay, that's how we use the spatial data.